This is an emergency update for Bitcoin. Bitcoin is breaking through some key resistance levels and is about to go crazy very soon. Let's take a look at the price target that I have for Bitcoin with the potential 10% to 30% gain from here. What's good, guys? This is Seth with SM22. As you guys already know, the content is free, the jokes are free. All I ask is you help our brother out, hit that like button and hit the subscribe button. Now let's take flight. Let's look at Bitcoin's chart. We are looking at the price chart for Bitcoin at the moment. And we are currently on the 4-hour time frame. From the chart, we see that the price of Bitcoin was trading in this symmetrical triangle pattern, right? And this symmetrical triangle pattern is usually a bullish indicator, and it predicts with a high probability that price will push up, right? And at the moment, we see the price pushing up, and each candle is a 4-hour candle, right? So remember, we need this candle to close higher than the pattern, right? So if it closes above the pattern, then there's a high chance the price will go up to meet my price target over here, right? I have my price target sitting at $54,000, and we currently at about just at 50,000 ish, just a little bit below 50,000. We're at $49,600 at the moment, right? If price pushes to my price target over here, that'll be about 8% to 9% or 10% from here, right? But price could even push higher than that, right? Price could push even higher past $54,000. And in case price pushes higher than that, and we go touch our all-time high at $64,000. If we go touch the all-time high at $64,000, then that would be a 30% gain from here. So there's a high chance the price of Bitcoin pushes 10% from here and go touch $54,000, or could probably even push higher and go to $64,000, and that would be a 30% gain from here. Before Bitcoin started shooting up today, we saw Ethereum gain 10% in one day. And before we saw Ethereum gain 10% in one day, we had seen a bunch of altcoins, Solana, Cardano, Matic, and a whole bunch of other altcoins gain in price heavily, right? So there seems to be a shift in the market. In the past, we saw the price action for Bitcoin heavily influence the price of the altcoins. But now we see a shift in the market where the altcoins are now heavily influencing the price for Bitcoin. It looks like Bitcoin is losing a lot of dominance. So with that said, let's take a look at Bitcoin's dominance chart. We are looking at the dominance chart for Bitcoin at the moment. And from the chart, we see that after Bitcoin's dominance fell from this ascending wedge pattern, so it fell below this ascending wedge pattern, and now this ascending wedge pattern is a bearish indicator, and just as expected, Bitcoin's dominance fell below that, and since then Bitcoin's dominance has been on a slow grind to the bottom, right? And I have my target over here. My target is sitting at 39%. But at the moment, we see Bitcoin's dominance sitting at 42%. So from Bitcoin's dominance chart, it is very clear that the altcoins are dominating Bitcoin at the moment. More and more people are now running to the altcoins for the bigger gains. And now that is changing the dynamics of the market, right? Now the altcoins are heavily influencing Bitcoin's price. But let's not get carried away, because there's also the probability that the price of Bitcoin drops lower in order for Bitcoin to gain dominance once again. But for the meantime, I will put in a lot more focus on the altcoins, since I see a lot of interest in the market for altcoins. Now, if you have not yet taken advantage of the 7.5% APY interest rates from BlockFi, definitely check out the links in the description and get $10 worth of Bitcoin with your sign up as well. And also don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe. All right. And I'll check out this video for my previous price analysis.